Hey everyone. Here are 5 inventory reports that you should run for your business. 1. In-stock inventory report. Know what you have in your inventory in real time to help you make better forecasting decisions. 2. Low stock inventory report. Know your minimum inventory threshold so that the productivity of your employees is not affected. 3. Inventory utilization report. Know the level of importance of the different items in your inventory to know the importance of each. 4. Aging inventory report. Know what is not being used so that you can minimize the effect of having unused inventory in your books. 5. Sales margin report. Know what items you need to purchase more or less of due to the profitability of each. Having these reports automatically run will help you and your company in the following ways. Greater inventory visibility. Data-driven forecasting. Know inventory across locations. Ensure compliance. For more tips on managing your IT inventory, check out the links below.